What if I told you there was a company in the stock market right now that was beating earnings expectations by 2 or 3 times quarter in and quarter out? Well, what if I also told you this is a growth company who became profitable last year? And what if I also told you they did all of that without their biggest part of their business being able to thrive because of the economic situation we're in right now? Well, that's exactly what's going on. And today we see a big decrease in price, about 8% total. It was over 10% at one point in the day, because a firm came out and said they think it's overvalued. Well, this firm that came out and said it's overvalued already had a price target, which was basically just under half of what it was trading for today before they had raised their price target $1. But regardless, this company already didn't believe in this growth company, and obviously it probably would look bad on this company to double or triple their price targets. And yet the stock dropped 8% because of this one firm's opinion. Well, that's what we're seeing right now with this specific company. But before I tell you, make sure you like, subscribe, comment if there's a stock you want me to cover next. But this stock I'm specifically talking about today is Sofi. Well, I don't know if you guys watch any of my other videos, but Sofi has a great leader in Anthony Noto. He has explicitly said time and time again, 2025 is our year. Anthony Noto has specific milestones he wants the stock to reach in 2025 because he personally benefits from the stock reaching certain prices based on his bonus structure. And I'll get into that in a later video. But right now I want you guys to realize one thing. This stock is being manipulated just like it was being manipulated last year before the price surged after earnings continued to beat and beat and beat. And there's probably going to be news coming out this year sometime that Sofi will probably make its way into the S&P 500. We'll probably get news that Sofi is continuing to beat more earnings every single quarter. And imagine the next rate cut that comes in the middle of the year next year. Well, we'll probably be seeing a big time price increase in Sofi from the levels it's at right now. I don't understand how a growth company that is growing as rapidly as Sofi is can have anybody bearish on what they're doing right now without the biggest part of their business. I mean, imagine telling a runner to run a race with only one leg, and yet he manages to win this race because he was able to contort his body to do what it was supposed to do without this one leg. Well, imagine when the runner gets his other leg back, how much faster he's going to be. Well, that's what we're seeing in Sofi. I'm more bullish now on Sofi than I ever have been because I've seen how well executed all these new financial services Sofi has came out with have been. And they even, they went through a time where there was a lot of uncertainty with the whole Biden and paying off college tuition, all that. It really adversely affected the stock price, but now we're just seeing good news after good news after good news, more segments and more different business models that they're coming out with for different financial services. There's just no reason to be bearish on this company. There's no reason for this company to be held down. And when it pops, guys, like it did last year, it's going to pop hard because there is a Sofi army of smaller investors behind it that are just waiting to just see this stock go where it should go. And imagine when it does hit in the S&P 500, we could see the stock double quickly, guys. So take advantage of days like this. I'm not a financial advisor, but please make sure you do your research on Sofi. But I'm going to be taking advantage on a dip like this that is unrealistic to have any dip like this whatsoever. So let me know what you guys think, but I'm buying more Sofi shares tomorrow. Like I said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and if there's any stock you want me to cover, let me know in the comment section down below. Peace.